Hello, and welcome to a new segment called NAFHAC News. My name is Catherine Hall. I'm the Executive Director of the National Association of FHA Consultants. And in these weekly segments, we're going to share information and upcoming events of the National Association of FHA Consultants. We're going to highlight and spotlight our members, and we're going to give you information to help you be successful in the world of renovation homeownership services. So let's get started. Today is Monday, May 8th. And for today's NAFHAC News, we want to let everyone know that our usual weekly second Thursday monthly skill building call, which would normally have been held today on Thursday at May 11th at 8 a.m., will be rescheduled to next week, May 18th. If you are a NAFHAC member, you are more than welcome and encouraged to join us next Thursday. And if you're not yet a member, you can check this out as a live stream on Facebook at NAFHAC Facebook page. Additionally, an important notice to let you all aware of is we're going to be starting a new educational training program to help grow the number of consultants nationally. This is our NAFHAC 203K Consultants Crash Course, and it's coming to a city near you. So if you'd like to make sure that you are on the list where we're going to be training home inspectors around the country how to add rehab consulting and grow their revenue and grow your pool of consultants, then please let us know. So this has been the NAFHAC News for Monday, May 8th.